Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports, a delegation of tribe of Abdul Qais came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we belong to the tribe Rabia, and the infidels of tribe Mudar intervene between you and us. So we cannot come to you excepting during the sacred months. Tell us the thing which we ourselves should act upon and invite to it the people whom we have left behind. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I command you to do 4 things and forbid you from 4 things. I order you to have faith in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and signaled with his hand like this, and establish prayer and pay zakat and khumus, 1/5 of the booty, and forbid you from 1. Hollow gourd, 2. Green gazelle jars, 3. Jars made of hollow date trunk, 4. Pitchers coated with pitch. Suleiman and Abu Nauman reported from Hammad to believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and testify that there is no one worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1398.